Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to read the phonic reader, and in phonic reader we read three letter words with the help of phonics. But in the phonic reader there are some words which are called sight words, and we read them as it is because they don't have phonics and we can't read them phonetically. Here we will read page number 39 and 40. Here at your side is page number 39. Let's read it. It is my lip. Here my is a sight word, so we will read it as it is. It is my lip. It is my gun. It is my gun. The babe is wet. The babe is wet. The wig is big. The wig is big. The cat wags and run. Da is also a sight word, so we will read it as it is. The nut cuts with bun. The nut cuts with bun. My top is in the pan. My top is in the pan. My gun is on my lap. My gun is on my lap. Now read page number 40 by yourself. Here is an activity. Now you have to rewrite all these sentences. As I have given examples here, you have to write the spellings in place of pictures as I did for the first picture. I have written the spellings of lips, so you have to write all the sentences like this. First is, it is my lip. Second, it is my gun. Third, my top is in the pan. And fourth is, the cat wags and runs.